Here are the bank statements that we're going to process from PDF into Excel. These are fake, but they're made to match the Habib UAE format. And the complicated thing here is that the balance column isn't there. It's been merged, or the numbers have been merged into the amounts and their columns. So this makes the validation and extraction of each transaction a little bit more complicated. So in this case, we're going to use a bespoke statement reader template to extract the balance and to validate that information in Excel. So when we open up Statement Reader, we're going to scroll to UAE and the Habib templates. There are two here, so we know that from reading the column headers, we've got the date and the value date. And so this template matches the structure of the document that we have to process. We select the document and we click Go. And by default, it will open up Excel, and it will also open up this repair summary that's showing 98.9% accuracy. So we can see in Excel why it's not 100% accurate. And the reason is because the first few lines don't have a balance number. There's no opening balance, so the first few transactions can't be checked. And this is just a warning to the user, so they can click on the hyperlink, they can open up that page, and they can just check the first few transactions are correct, and that starting balance obviously was a few lines down, so those, like I said, those transactions couldn't be checked. And that's it, you've got the raw data validated into Excel.